In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective Facebook ad campaign in 2025. To get started, you'll need to have a Facebook business page and access to Meta's Ads Manager. This is your central hub for all advertising activities on Facebook's family of apps and services. Once you're in Ads Manager, the first step is to create a new campaign. Facebook will prompt you for your advertising objective, which could range from options like awareness, aimed at reaching as many people as possible, to traffic, which focuses on driving visitors to your website. Other common objectives include engagement, for getting more interaction with your posts, and leads or sales, which are great for businesses looking to convert prospects into customers. Selecting the right objective is critical since it determines which bidding options and ad placements will be best suited for your campaign. Next, determine your budget. Facebook allows you to set either a daily or a lifetime budget. With a daily budget, Facebook will aim to spend approximately that amount each day. A lifetime budget, on the other hand, spreads the total budget over the duration you select for the campaign to run. This flexibility is great for managing how much you're willing to invest in your advertising. You'll then need to set the duration for your ad. Choosing specific start and end dates helps you control the pace and timing of your advertising effort. This precision is particularly useful if you're planning around special dates or time-sensitive events. Now, defining your audience is a crucial step for maximizing your ad's relevance and reducing costs. Facebook allows you to tailor your audience based on a variety of factors, including location, age, and language. You can dive deeper into detailed targeting or opt for Facebook's Advantage Plus audience, which provides enhanced targeting automation to reach more relevant users. Turning our attention to placements, decide where your ads will appear across Facebook's platforms, including Instagram, Messenger, and the Audience Network. For beginners, the Advantage Plus placements or automatic placements come highly recommended. This option uses Facebook's algorithms to optimize placements dynamically, ensuring your ads are displayed where they're likely to perform best. Designing the ad itself involves three key components: ad format, visuals, and text and call to action. Choose the format that best suits your objective, whether it's a single image, a video, or a carousel. Ensure your visuals are eye-catching and reflective of your brand. Your messaging should be clear and direct, with a strong call to action prompting viewers to engage. Once your ad is ready to launch, you'll click Publish. Before going live, Facebook will review your ad to ensure it complies with their advertising policies. It's vital to adhere to these guidelines to avoid any interruptions. Finally, with your ad published, it's important to monitor its performance. Insights provided by the Ads Manager are invaluable in assessing how well your ad is doing, enabling you to tweak or scale your campaigns for better results. And that's how you set up a Facebook ad campaign in 2025.